Hey TikTok, did you know this spooky Halloween fact? Get ready for a spine-chilling journey through some eerie Halloween facts. Halloween dates back over 2,000 years to the ancient Celtic festival of Samhain, where people believed spirits roamed the earth. Ever wondered why we carve pumpkins? Tradition started in Ireland with turnips and evolved into pumpkins in America. Trick-or-treating began as souling in medieval Europe, where poor people would go door to door on All Saints' Day asking for food in exchange for prayers. Black cats are a symbol of Halloween, but did you know they were once believed to be witches' familiars? They were even feared for bringing bad luck. Americans spend over $2 billion on Halloween candy each year, and believe it or not, chocolate makes up a whopping 68% of Halloween candy sales. Haunted houses are a Halloween staple, but did you know the world's largest haunted house is located in Japan, spanning over 90,000 square feet? There you have it, folks. Halloween isn't just about tricks and treats, it's a celebration steeped in history and spooky traditions. Which fact surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for